just think I hit the button.
Okay. Now you can send her.
Okay.
I think that's going to be livable.
That's all I had to hear. Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. Taking a break from the deck today. We're going to clean up a little bit out here today. Get some, I've been sitting on this slabs and old scrap for a long time. I want to take care of this because I need to start getting these sawmill slabs cut up. My bucking table, we slide them up against this and we just start cutting boards. And I'm going to stack them on these pallets. This is just wood for my little cabins. So this isn't home heating wood, but it's cabin wood. But it's getting warm. It's supposed to be in the mid-80s today. Not too bad though. It's noon. Got a late start. It's Sunday though. If I didn't mention that, my wife just left to go clean my daughter's Airbnb. So this gives me something to do while she's gone. We're running the HD Super Split. You'll see that being split. And you may say, I'm splitting this stuff small. Yeah, I like them a little small for my cabins. Nothing real big. You know, I'll split a 2x6 in half. All right, let's get this going. Something like this though, these little pieces like this, we just cut these up. Very first one, right in the face. I'm guessing I hit a pile of dirt. Man, that one goes. That is good for now. We're way overdue for a cleaning. So we're going to do that today. And maybe give it a good grease job today too. It's filthy. Look at those wheels. It's been quite a while. Mud caked in there. Debris in there. All right. If you don't have a Chemical Guys cleaning system, you should get one. It's about 80 bucks. I think probably the biggest cost is for the soap. However, this thing's all brass. It's not one of those cheap ones you get from Harbor Freight. This thing's been awesome. Whack! Broke the rope now. Well, here I am again, taking another cord off. We might as well grease it. We got a new rope put on it. Let's give it a try now. Man, I don't know what's going on with this thing. Used to be a real easy starter, but let's get it started. choke, throttle. Sit for about a minute or two to help cut some of the grease and stuff that I have on there. Well, for some reason, it's running a lot better today. Not sure why. It's running a lot better today. Yesterday the bypass valve, I guess, in the cap pump wouldn't bypass and it just crushed the motor. It's working today. I think it looks a lot better. Oh, hey little toad. Come on, get it, don't go, there you go. Go find a better place to live. All right. On to the next project. All right, the next job is those 45s. I got 4 of those to put on. I haven't made them yet. I just notched out these this morning. I tried some basic chainsaw carpentry with this electric chainsaw. It wasn't accurate enough, so I end up going through, I believe, with the skill saw here, the circular saw, DeWalt circular saw. And then I finished the cut with a Sawzall. Oh, that ain't square, is it? It's far from good, but it looks pretty good. It's not fine carpentry, that's for sure, but I'm very pleased with how it turned out. The joints are pretty good. I'm pretty pleased. I think it looks good. I did use the screws this way, so you can see those fasteners, unfortunately. I just didn't want to try to, you know, I was going to put a blank on here, the piece off of that 45, and then run holes through it with a Forstner bit so I could plug those holes, but I'm not worried about it. It doesn't look bad. So next up are these 45s from that post up to that. Okie dokie. What I'm doing here is planing all the rough deck boards. Then I'm going to straight line them all to the range road board edger. Then we'll route them all and then put them up. A lot of work ahead. Joe comes out here, we're explaining the process we're going to go through. Boy, what a big help having 2 people. It's just so much quicker doing it with 2 people than 1. Most jobs work out that way. This surface planer made by Ridge, it has really held up pretty well. It owes me nothing. I've done several floors with it. I've done the entire deck, all the deck boards with it, now all the roof deck boards with it. Look at the pile of dust under this thing, or debris. This is the last tedious job for this build. Route all these edges again. So we have maybe, let's see, 60, maybe 60, 70 boards to do. One side. These will be the roof deck boards up on the roof. I've done this so many times. I have plans for a new set of saw horses that kind of cantilever over each end. That way the cord doesn't keep getting hung up on the legs. Every single time I take a step, I have to play with this darn cord on this router. It really slows me up. So in the future, I'll make that adjustment and make those saw horses with a little cantilever so the cord floats underneath it. I think I've done about a third of it. That took an hour, so I probably got two to 3 more hours to go. We got this big pile here. That's that. That was so much faster. Yeah. Thank you. Let's see how long it took. Let me go set this down. Oh, I bet 30 minutes.
Yeah.
This is where 5'9" doesn't come in handy. That grip almost got me. When we hold these beams in with the forks. I ended up getting some black marks on a couple of the timbers, so we're gonna go fix that right now. Right there and right over there. I'm gonna fix this up. It's ready for deck boards.
Good?
Yep. Okay. If you're noticing, I'm only putting deck boards and felt paper over 3/4 of it on the south side of the pavilion build. Up against the house, there's going to be 2 panels, 6 foot worth of clear acrylic roof panels. Right on the other side of that sliding glass door is our kitchen, so we want to keep some light, natural light coming in.
That from rolling.
Say hi.
Hi.
We're in the golf cart heading out to the lumber yard. We're going to build a fire, Ruby and I. You funny guy. You funny guy. So this will do it for the video, guys. We're just going to burn this. This will be it for the day. That was crazy?
Yeah. I'm making a fire.
I'm making a fire now. You want to find some wood to put on it?
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do it.